This time I've got a Panasonic Camcorder compact VHS, and this one here I thought initially was going to be problematic, but this one turned out to be a really easy fix for a change. So let's see what was wrong with it and how easy this one was to fix. Another camera in for repair. This one says IDK. I guess that means I don't know. This one might work. This is a VHSc Panasonic with photo shoot. Oh, it's even got a tape in it. Nice big screen. Alright, I've got the power connector or power supply, the proper one for this one, and let's just see whether this thing works. It's on. I don't see anything on the display. I hear it doing something, but the LCD display appears to be dead. How about the eyepiece? The eyepiece is working. Okay, I can see a picture in the eyepiece. So the LCD is not working on this. I wonder if that's all that's wrong with it, is maybe a switch that turns the LCD on is not working. Just put it into VCR mode first and see if it will play a tape. Don't see anything on here. We'll just rewind this tape. I do have the AV cable for it as well, so I could connect it to my my TV. Okay, in camera mode, I got a picture. In VTR mode, it's see, they'll give me a picture. It says VTR mode on the screen.
Okay, hello.
Okay, well, it's playing. Picture's playing on the TV, so we know that the camera or the VCR plays. We'll turn off that sound. So we know that the camera works. We know that the tape plays, but the LCD screen is not turning on. So that might be something as simple as a switch. There's a switch that activates when you open the LCD up to switch over from that screen to this one. And it might just be that the switch is broken. The thing is, oh, looks like it's more than that. Look at the camera, it's coming apart over here. It's probably it's unplugged. Well, that would explain why it doesn't work. This is somebody's taken this apart and hasn't put it back together properly. It's unplugged. Well, maybe this could be easy. Could it be that easy? As I say, I get the camera and it says I don't know the person I got it from wanting it fixed. Okay, that goes in there like that, and this should clip in. It's a little hinge, and this just pops over top of it. It's not snapped in place or anything. It just slides over top of the hinge, and then when you close it down, it latches it. So we just have to get this open to the correct angle so that it will slide over top of the catch like that. I think that's on, and then it should just close. Put the tabs in like that, and voila, it's back together. That is how to put one of these back together, and we'll see whether the LCD screen works. I'll just turn it into camera mode and open the side panel, and we see that the display works. It looks like it's in photo mode, no CF card, so this takes a compact flash card. Where does it go? That probably goes under here. Oh yes. You can put a compact flash card in here to take photos. Check the tape, so it says. Yes, there's no tape in it. I realize that. I'm just going to grab one of my own tapes so that I can do a recording and then and play it back and see whether it works. But I think this one here, all that was wrong with it is it probably got dropped or something, and that hinge got popped apart. More than likely, that's all that happened to this one. One of my test tapes. Pop it in the back. Close that down. It's got a light on it. Incandescent light. Little flashlight bulb. Kind of cool. Alright, let's hit record. And we'll do some recording. I'll do some talking. Wave my hand in front here where it's all overexposed because of the bright light. Check out the zoom. Zoom in. Digital zoom. What's with the digital zoom crap? Yeah, okay. Well, we know that digital zoom isn't going to do much. I want to point this thing out front and see how far it'll zoom in. Alright, I've done my test recording. We'll put it back in VTR mode. I'll plug in the sound. And we'll rewind this tape and see whether it plays. It should, because the tape that was in it played fine. Oh, I erased my color bars that I had on that little tape. I had a tape with a VHSc tape with color bars, and I just wiped it. But there's the recording I just did, playing with the digital zoom. We'll just rewind this back a bit, and see how it plays. So there should be color bars on this tape before I started recording. There we go. Okay, we'll play it back. So we know it plays because there's the color bars I had on the tape, and there's what I just recorded over my color bars.
Overexposed because of the bright light. Check out the zoom. Zoom in. Digital zoom. What's with the digital zoom crap? Yeah, okay. Well, we know that digital zoom isn't going to do much. I want to point this thing out front and see how far it'll zoom in. Kind of useless. Let's zoom in on the tree branch. Okay, we're into digital zoom range now. Oh yeah, that's a real useful picture.
And it records. So this one, other than the fact that the viewfinder was or the LCD was unplugged and the front cabinet was detached, there's nothing wrong with this one. The person that owns this one will be happy. Oh, I guess I should put their tape back in. I'm assuming that that's their tape. Anyway, there you go. That's how you put the side cover back on one of these, and that's it. I'm done with it. Thanks for watching.